Hi guys, welcome back to the Tutor's Tutor, where I help you with online teaching and give you new ideas to make passive income online. I have been busy with a number of projects and teaching at the same time, so I do have a lot to share with you guys in the next weeks to come about more ways to make passive income. Now, today, this video has been on major demand. It's almost end of the year, and everyone is looking to make an extra penny for the new year to come, of course. And I think that's really a great idea. So, today, I have a South African based company where you can actually tutor right here at home, guys. That is so fantastic. So, let's have a look at the company that I have here today. The company's name is Teach Me to Tutor. It is a South African based company in the mother city. What I love about the company is that you can tutor any subject. It does not only have to be English. And if we look here, some of the tutors are actually making between 150 Rand to 190 Rand teaching any subject in South Africa. So I took the screenshot and I liked this because it says the average Teach Me Tutor monthly salary ranges from approximately 8,000 Rand per month, right, to 33,653 Rand per month. So that obviously depends on your speciality and what you actually tutoring on the company. So if you're just in this to make passive income and you are a student, this is definitely a great opportunity for you as well. Now, of course, I've got the requirements for you guys because I know you want to know, do you qualify or not? So these are the requirements that you need to work for the company. This is definitely a winner for those of you who need extra money, or a company just to fill those empty hours that you have. It's also a great idea if you are a university student and looking to make extra money on the side. I know you'll want that extra money. My brother's a student, so I know. Um, Braylon, I love you. So, to become a tutor, you need to be 18 years or older. If you're not 18, just hang on there, guys. It's almost time for you. You have to be willing to put the students' needs first. And this is like a no go thing. This is no compromise here. When you are tutoring somebody, you have to put their needs before your own. You have to be reliable, please, and also have reliable transport for face to face tutoring and reliable internet for online tutoring. I know there's load shedding, but make a plan. Don't let that be the obstacle that's stopping you from making extra money. So, this is nice if you are based in Cape Town and you don't really like the online thing and you actually want to have more face to face interactions. Please check this out. Also, you are going to have to provide a university transcript with at least 75% in the university subjects you want to tutor. So it said subjects here, which means it's not only one subject that you need to tutor in. If you're good at a lot of things, then go for it. This is your opportunity to shine. The next, you have to be a South African citizen or have a valid work visa. So if you're not from South Africa and you have a valid work visa, this is for you. If you know somebody, guys, please share this video and let that person start making money. Be committed and enthusiastic. That goes without say. Like if you're going to put yourself into something, at least be happy about it. Be committed, be 100% and give the best that you can. Also, provide a matric certificate with at least 80% in the school subjects you want to tutor. Guys, it's at 80, please. 80, 80. Okay? And provide supporting documents to verify the above points. They are going to ask you for these documents, so don't go and apply and you don't have the documents ready. Go prepared. Be ready for what you want. And please, I want to say thank you to everyone who has supported the channel so far. If you are not part of the family yet, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you are notified about all the videos I will be posting in the weeks to come. Some of the videos are how to find private clients online for teaching, and I have another exciting journey that I have started to help you make passive income, and you don't want to miss out on that one. So over here, these are the details for the company because I know you're going to be asking me. So I made sure to include this here. It is a simple Google search away. You go straight to their website and apply. Everyone whom I've helped apply here said the process has been very simple so far. And what's really nice is that they are a South African based company, so payment charges won't be as high as your international companies. So, as you can see, the address is here. They have a 4.9, sorry, 4.9 rating, and you can go through the Google reviews and see what you think about them. It's all up to you. So it's online classes and on-site services are not available at the moment. I'm not sure with COVID regulations, maybe that's changed. So please give them a shout if you have any questions. They are based in Claremont, Cape Town, and their phone number is 010 446 0140. Thought I'd just put that in there. So please, guys, it's really simple. It's a click away. Go and become a teacher at Teach Me to Tutor. And here I think that their landing page is very easy to navigate. Comment below and let me know what you think about the tutoring company and if you're going to give it a try. If not, please share this with somebody who it might help. Let's help our people grow, guys. It is literally a share away. And that's all that I have for you today. I hope you found this video useful and that it's helped you or somebody else that you know. And thank you so much for watching the video. If you found this video helpful for you or a friend, please don't forget to like the video. It will help me too as well. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you are notified every time that I upload a video, and the bell will also help you. Ching ching. See you all in my next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.